Hey guys, are you looking to set up your new HP printer? Don't worry about this. Watch this video till the end. Just got a new HP printer? Here's the fastest way to get it connected in under a minute. Open your web browser and visit 13.hp.com/setup. This is HP's official setup page for downloading printer software. Type your HP printer model, download the recommended setup software, and install it on your Windows or Mac computer. Launch the HP installer, turn on your printer, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the setup is complete, print a test page to confirm everything is working perfectly. If your printer isn't detected, restart your printer, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and run the setup again. Follow for more HP printer setup guides, troubleshooting tips, and quick tech fixes.